Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing for 2021. So this is, as usual, going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to walk you through entire steps and process until you'll be able to have your Clickbank affiliate marketing up and running. Okay, so before we start, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, because in this video in this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. Alright, so consider subscribing if that type of content is your jam. And don't forget to smash the like button as well if you like this video, okay? So let's go to the Clickbank affiliate marketing for 2021 overview. So it consists of three steps, which is I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So the step one would be how to pick up a Clickbank profitable offer that's going to give you passive income, so that you can earn more with less work. So this is very crucial. I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to show you how to select a very good product that could help you to bring recurring income every single month without you need to do much work, right? So step number two, which is how to get access to millions of impressions every month so that you can get tons of views without have to spend thousands of dollars on advertisements. I'm going to reveal to you the site that you'll be able to get millions of impressions every single month with a very little investments. By the way, this is going to be a paid strategy whereby you're going to need to invest some money up front in order to get millions of impressions. But trust me, the amount of money that you're going to need to invest is very cheap. All right, so it brings us to the step number three, how to create clickbait ads in 5 minutes so that you can get tons of click without any copywriting skill. I also going to reveal to you how you will be able to create a clickbait ad in 5 minutes so that people going to more likely to click your ads, and then could help you to bring more sales in affiliate marketing. Okay, so the most important thing, last but not least, is do not skip any part of this video, because I'm afraid you're not going to be able to understand the whole concept, the whole picture of this video, and end up with you not be able to make any money, any affiliate commission. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So the marketplace that we are going to be using is Clickbank. You are free to choose whatever platform, whether JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever platform that you are interested in. But the reason why I love Clickbank so much, because the percentage of the commission is up to 75%. So the vast majority of Clickbank product going to pay you 75% of the commission. Okay, so I've logged in my account, but if you haven't already, you might want to sign up. The sign up process is very straightforward, and it is 100% free. There's no investment in it, and there's no credit card information required. Okay, so I'm going to be promoting e-business and e-marketing, because e-marketing and e-business product will be work perfectly with the platform that I'm about to reveal to you. Okay, so what you need to do next, in order to have a passive income with less work, you need to sort by the recurring, right? So recurring product. So as you can see, all the product that you can see on this page now has this symbol, means that all the product is recurring. What does it mean is, once people purchase this product, they're going to be upsell with the subscription or the membership site. All right, so that is going to bring you recurring income. I hope it makes sense to you. And also I'm going to sort it by the gravity. Okay, so now we have two filters, which is gravity and then a recurring. So what does it mean is, we just wanted to sell a product that has high demand, right? So this is the numbers of affiliates are currently promoting this product, and this is also the number of affiliates are currently making money with this particular product, right? So this one is 138, and 138 and 128, and etc. So by far this is the highest product on this niche, which is a click wealth system. But I'm not going to show you how to promote this one, because I have shown you in my previous video. Let's pick another product, for example, like this one. Let's take a look at this one. Top converting high ticket on Clickbank. It's going to bring you $53 per sale, right? So okay, pretty cool. This look nice. So all right, it has the email lead generation, and this is very good, because once people sign in, under your affiliate link, the tracking affiliate is going to embed with your affiliate link. So this guy over here, which is the owner of the product, they're going to keep on promoting, they're going to send email for the prospect, and once the prospect sign up or buy that product, you're going to get a commission. So you can have some sort of unfair advantage, or you can actually leverage their email list without you need to have your own email list. I hope it makes sense to you. Okay, so we're going to visit their affiliate JV page. We want to take a look at the banner actually, right? So that is what we are looking for here, because we're going to be utilizing the banner to advertise this particular product. Register an affiliate. Oh, they need me to register. I hate doing this. I don't want to register because I don't want to drag this video so too long. So let's take a look at maybe this one here, perpetual income 365. So now what we are looking for, right? Cool. So this product has the banner, so this is the thing that we need. And then what you need to do, we're gonna need to download all this file, the banner file I mean. Okay, let's take a look how we can get. All right, just click over here. You want to get access as soon as possible to the JV page. Okay, click here to register. I want to register brand new swipe. All right, cool. This is the swipe email. All right, so this is all the banner available here. So all right, so I want to see how I can actually get the banner for this one. Maybe I can simply save as. So let's take a look. If I save as to my desktop here and take a look at the banner. All right, cool. So I have the banner here, right? So that's pretty much it. Very straightforward, very simple. So I can choose whatever banner that I want here. Okay, so that brings us to the step number 2, which is how to get access to million of impression. So what you need to do is just head off to adclicks.com, and then this is the site that I talk about, where you can get millions of impression with a very cheap amount of money. All right, so it has two options, which is sell ad space. If you have a website that can generate millions or 100,000 of views, you can also make some supplementary income with selling the ad space here. But for this particular video, we're going to buy ads online. Okay, so you can scroll down and then you can see a lot of different websites that could bring you millions of impression every single month. Okay, and you can sort by categories as well. So as you can see, it has a few different categories: affiliate, beauty, business, cryptocurrency, education, entertainment, and etc. So you might want to choose your site based on the product that you want to promote on Clickbank, right? So if you want to promote a beauty niche, so you might want to choose a beauty here. Okay, so for this particular video, we're going to be promoting affiliate marketing product. So I'm going to sort by affiliate, SEO, and marketing. So you're going to be able to see all these related page or related website. So as you can see here, this site over here could bring you 1.7 million impressions, right? So this one 1.4, 500,000, 300,000, 400,000, and etc. This one 1.5. So this one is very cheap over here, guys. So it only costs you 10 cents per 1,000 impression, and you're going to be able to get a maximum to 500k. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. For example, let's take a look at the first one first, right? So you're going to need to pay only $15 per month with the potential of 1.7 million impression. How cool is that, guys? Right, so as you can see here, this is all the different sidebar or different ads image or dimension that you can choose from. So the price also going to be slightly different. For example, this one is 19 cents, so the maximum order will be 500,000, and this one is not available. And all right, cool. So not only one available here, right? These two is not available currently, but it's okay. So let's take a look at 500k, and then what you need to pay is only 19 cents, right? So let's do the calculation very quick. So 500,000 will be 500. So 500 times 0.19 cents would be $95. So that would be a little bit of money. Maybe it's slightly expensive for those of you who don't have any capital. But what I want to stress you here, take a look at the traffic, right? The traffic is very high quality, which is 50%, almost 51% from United States. So this is very, very powerful. So no wonder the price is a bit pricey, because the traffic is very, very high quality traffic. Because you only wanted to focus on United States traffic, because the traffic from United States is very, very high quality. They will more likely to purchase whatever that you promote to them, right? So it's okay. Let's take a look at other sites. So let's take a look at this one. This one is by far the most cheapest one. So we want to analyze what is the minimum order would be 100,000 impressions. So you just gonna need to pay like I think $10. Yes, $10, because 1,000 impression will cost you only 10 cents. So with with $10 you're gonna get like 100k impressions. Okay, so don't forget to take a look at the visitors. This is also very, very good, because 14%, most of the visitors are coming from United States. Okay, so it also has the Australia here, and United Kingdom and India at number 3. Okay, so means that this is very, very good. Based on the price, very, very reasonable price. You're gonna need to pay only $10 for 100,000 impression. All right, so let's do some calculation here. Okay, so let's say if you were promote to this site, for example, like you got 100,000. all right, so 100,000 impression, let's say like times maybe 1% out of 100,000 would be 1,000 will be click on your ads. So let's say out of 1,000 click, you're gonna get like 1% conversion rate. Oh, sorry. So 1,000 times 1% conversion rate would be 10 sales, guys. All right, 10 sales. So let's take a look at the price, the commission that you're going to generate here. So one sales gonna get you 289 times 289 would be, I'm sorry, all right, 289 would be times 10 sales would be 2,890 already. And don't forget that this is actually a recurring income product, right? So every single month, if the buyer upgrade or sign up with the membership, you're going to be able to get another $42 additional for every single month. That is very, very powerful, and that is the powerful of advertise to the site with a very large impressions. Okay, so guys, you can head off to AdClicks, and then you can sort by you can analyze each and every one of the site available here, which one is that resonate with you the most. If you have some budget, you can go for this one, right? It only costs you $15, $5 additional in order to get maximum 1.7 million impression. Okay, it is solely up to you. So it brings us to the step number 3, which is how to create a clickbait ad in just 5 minutes without any copywriting skill. All right, so the one that I showed you here, this product has a very powerful and very good ad copy or ad banner, right? But some product on Clickbank, they doesn't provide you any ads or any what we call that, any banner ad, right? So what you can do instead, in order to have the ads banner, you can actually create on your own. So let's take a look at this one here. So for example, if you were promoting this product without any ads, okay, so what you can do is you can head off to Canva, and then you can create a design. This is a 100% free software, free online software. So I'm going to create custom size, and just take a look at the, let's say you want to promote this one here. Okay, so 7 to 8 by times 90, 7 to 8 width, 7 to 8, and the height is 90, and then just click new design. So this would be the dimension for the ads or the banner that we want to give these sites later on. Okay, so what you need to do instead, we're going to get some elements from the site that, or the product that you want to promote, which is this one over here. Okay, so you can analyze a little bit more about this site. what is the image or what is the copywriting that you can copy and paste, so that you don't have to be copywriter in order to get a very compelling banner ads. The simple 3 steps formula I used to earn 5 per lockdown. Alright, so I think this will be good. During lockdown, by just asking people during lockdowns and by blah blah blah, or just to discover. Okay, so maybe I'm going to use this image over here, so I'm going to save as and then put on my desktop. All right, cool. And also I'm going to copy this one and put on my banner ad, right? So what you can do here is just simply click on the text, and then you can use either this one, maybe a headline. I'm going to add headline and paste the entire headline over here, and you can also drag it, and you can either edit from here. Okay, so I'm going to select all. I'm going to choose the color, maybe a little bit red, so it's going to stand out. All right, cool. I think I'm going to make this 2 line, all right, so that I'm able to make it a little bit bigger. Then all right, okay, cool. So the next thing is I want to add some image here, which is the image that I have downloaded. So go to upload media device and go to my desktop and choose the image, which is this one, and just simply wait for the uploading, and then simply click on the image, and then they're going to appear on this banner. All right, so I'm going to maybe put it something like that, make it a little bit bigger. So this is also some like curious banner, right? Curiosity. You want to make people curious, and then people going to click on your ads. Okay, so people may wondering what is this diagram for, you know. So if they want to learn more, they can actually click on here. So I'm going to adjust the line spacing a little bit. Line spacing, all right, maybe okay. And then maybe I'm going to put another text down there, maybe like click here to make money today. All right, the simple 3-step formula I used to lock down. All right, cool. So I'm going to adjust the text and maybe make it a bit bold. Maybe I need to select all and click bold. Okay, and I'm going to bring this thing down a bit. Bring it down somewhere here, or maybe I'm going to put some symbol like that. Okay, cool. I think I'm going to put like a background, right? So that put element, I'm going to put like red background, so it make more stand out. All right, so like that, and then I'm going to bring this thing back, send to back. I'm going to adjust this text color to white to make it stand out. All right, cool. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So maybe I'm going to adjust this one a bit up here, or maybe you can simply drag and, you know, drag the image or drag the text. All right, cool. Okay, so we have some curiosity image here, and then the very powerful headline here. The simple 3-step formula I used is to earn $5,000 per day during lockdown. Click here to make money today. Okay, so that what you need to do is simply click download, and then you can go back to the ads clerk, and then you can purchase this ad over here, and then you can simply give all this banner to this website over here. All right, guys, so that is how you're going to be able to make some supplemental income with affiliate commission Clickbank. Okay, so I hope you get some value, and don't forget to smash the like button if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take action. I really appreciate your time of watching my video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.